Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lug wrench that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cartman Universal 4-Way Cross Lug Wrench. As an Amazon's Choice product and with 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 5,700 global ratings, the Cartman Universal Cross Lug Wrench seems to live up to the hype with many desirable features. The tool has anti-slip handles, a 4-way cross style, and a 16-inch design, which, when put together, allows users to get a firm grip to deliver a ton of strength when working with tough nuts. As one customer confirmed, the extra length gives you a lot more torque, and the grips help on hot days when your palms might be sweaty. Beyond its anti-slip grip and ability to provide maximum leverage, this high-performance tool is also universal and designed with 4 socket heads to accommodate most lug nuts. The same customer went on to write that the tool covers all the common sizes and the sockets are deep enough to get over the ball cap on my lug nuts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GTE Tools Universal Lug Wrench Set. With its strong steel construction, the GTE Universal Lug Wrench Set is one of the most high-quality lug wrenches on our list. As one impressed buyer described, this is a strong, durable tool that is well thought out in its design. The tool is constructed so users can break it down for easy storage in their vehicle or toolbox, and this reliable tool also comes with a lifetime warranty for extra peace of mind. The wrench is universal and versatile. Not only does it include 3 different socket sizes to accommodate standard lug nuts, plus an adapter to fit any other lug sizes, but it also doubles as both an L-shaped lug wrench and a cross wrench, allowing users to get better leverage and providing maximum efficiency. In relation to its sturdy locking mechanism, one customer mentioned that the bar is cleverly designed to hold the sliding crossbar in place. At number 3, we have the KenTool 35657 4-Way Lug Wrench. A drop-forged lug wrench is able to withstand a lot more force than a welded wrench, which is why the KenTool 4-Way Lug Wrench will never bend or snap. As one customer confirmed, this forged lug wrench can handle very large amounts of torque. Another reviewer raved, the shafts don't cross with a weld. They all connect via a center coupler that is solid as a rock. This professional lug wrench is made of a hardened steel that is very strong and durable to ensure that it will last throughout the years. One buyer, a retired machinist, wrote that they put it on the Rockwell hardness tester. It's 58 on the C scale. Very hard. Although the price is a little steep, one customer shared that they have used it over a dozen times and it still is in great shape. This was definitely worth the money. At number 2, we have the EPAuto Telescoping Wheel Wrench. For vehicles with little trunk space, a standard cross wrench might not be easy to store, but the EPAuto Telescoping Lug Wrench will be a perfect fit. This tool comes with a storage bag and has a telescoping handle that collapses to 13 inches for convenient storage in any small space. As one customer mentioned, this wrench is great because it fits in the little storage compartment that my star wrench won't. While the tool makes for easy storage when in use, the handle can extend up to 19 inches for extra leverage. This product maintains extreme strength and durability since it is made from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy. One user who needed the tool to loosen some extremely frozen, 15-year-old, rusted bolts, found that the wrench took care of these stubborn lug nuts and was able to handle a lot of pressure. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cartman Telescoping Lug Wrench. With a telescoping handle that collapses down to 14 inches and comes with a quality storage bag, the Cartman Telescoping Wrench saves a ton of space. One customer wrote, having a compact, easy-to-store tool is nice, saves time, and eliminates having to carry a bulky 4-way lug wrench. The handle then can extend to 21 inches to allow for great torque and maximum leverage. This tool is constructed from hardened steel, making it very strong and durable. One buyer commented, It did the job of loosening the previously impact wrench tightened lugs with minimal effort, adding, the bar felt sturdy after loosening and tightening 20 lug nuts. This wrench comes with 2 sockets that are double-sided, allowing it to fit many lug nut sizes.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.